French drains, typically they are used best for groundwater or else somewhere where you can't get any water to escape through a traditional method like some surface drains or through a 4-inch PVC line or whatever. In this case, we have a lot of water rushing off of our street. We have no curb and gutter, so it runs down through our yard and then hits this concrete slab and rushes uphill, basically, so it gets trapped there. So it gets all swampy. That's why we added the surface drain. We don't actually have any groundwater, but the surface drain is going to take the rainwater and stop it from being swampy back there, and it's going to let it escape and then go through the rest of the grass and then back onto the street.
Gravel in there? Oh, there's still some of this right here.
Yeah. So here you can see we have a perforated pipe, so that way all the water can leak through the gravel and seep into the pipe, and then it follows the path of least resistance, which is wherever we want to end it. Yeah. This we need to continue further, just dump it into the grass somewhere. Here's the filter fabric. This filter fabric, it's going to stop all the dirt from seeping into the pipe and clogging it later.
And it goes over there and bounces everywhere.
Yeah. Thanks. And we have this surface drain, which is where it starts. We had gravel all the way around this surface drain. This slab is leaking this way, so now it's going to go into the drain.
Over there and bounces everywhere.
Yeah, over there and bounces everywhere.
Yeah.
Right.
The water is stuck in there, so it can't get out.
So it has a little catch basin, and that's good for these sediments or when your kids drop sticks down it. It'll catch that, and then mostly just water will go and escape. That's a little dirty from us backfilling. But water will get out, so every once in a while you might actually have to clean this out. Not very often though. And it goes down, about an inch.
Yeah.
So you can get an inch of dirt in there before you have to clean it. And what was that, Royce?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it is so long down there. Oh. Well, that's halfway long.
Yep.